Do you ever feel like you are studying English but you are not getting better? You watch videos, you study grammar, you try to speak, but your English still feels stuck. If that sounds like you, you are not alone. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 reasons why your English might not be improving and exactly what you can do to fix it. Let's get started. Learning English is not just about watching videos or reading textbooks. It's about using it, speaking, listening, thinking in English. Start using English in your daily life. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Example, I'm brushing my teeth. Then I'll make coffee. That's real practice. Many learners wait until they feel ready, but that day never comes. Here's the truth. You don't learn to speak by being perfect. You learn by making mistakes again and again. Be brave, speak anyway. Focus on clear communication, not perfect grammar. Say what you can, even if it's simple. Simple English is powerful. I want to improve my English is not a goal, it's a wish. Set a small, clear goal. For example, I want to order food in English without hesitation. I want to introduce myself confidently. Then practice just that, one goal at a time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Practice a little every day. Speak clearly, speak naturally, and don't give up. You've got this. Thanks for watching Speak English Clearly and Naturally. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and remember to subscribe for more simple, clear lessons made just for real learners like you. Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking.